Guys, we're back. Day 3, 4,
5,
6. I spent a lot of time one day. I think the last thing I did was drive this thing around. So I wanted to get the suspension fixed, and I got everything I need, except I spent some time looking for a adapter valve for these straighter valves. This bracket needs to come off, and then this shroud needs to come off. And I might be able to do it with just the shroud coming off, so we'll...
Since Keaton likes to do things long, he's gonna use a little hand wrench instead of a power tool.
Fuck power tools. We'll drive. I know all of you at home are very excited to see this process.
Did you already tell them that the battery's backwards?
Yeah.
Ah! Fucking shit! That hurt. It's important to watch your head when working on your car. Right here on this sharp piece of metal that sticks out.
I hate this. I hate this car!
Once you hit your head, everything becomes annoying.
Shut up, Jacob.
So don't hit your head.
Alright, get out of there.
Keaton's grumpy. He hit his head, now he's grumpy.
Shut up!
Yep, there it is.
It's too hot in here. Alright.
Is that enough room?
Might be enough room.
So where is the point at that you are pumping up the thing right here?
Yeah, that nozzle.
I think that's gonna be enough. We'll see.
Seems as if that is so. Awesome.
Say it ain't so.
I will not go.
Turn the lights off, carry me.
No, don't turn off the light. No, Jacob.
So if you're waiting for us to get this attached, it'd be a great time to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel
Yes.
for more great content. Like, oh,
The fuck is that?
I don't know. It was a piece of your car.
Really?
I think so.
We're gonna tighten it with this, because we're going up to a pretty high PSI.
How many PSI, Keaton?
225.
Woo!
Alright guys, seems like it's working pretty good. I'm gonna check the height requirement, measuring from the center of the hub nut to the top of this.
Fuck yes, dude. I will say it looked pretty cool slammed.
Yeah, but it didn't function.
We'll get
right.
used to this though.
Alright, so obviously we got it done and it worked really smoothly and quickly and well. So this is how it's sitting now. Obviously got a lot more height to it, but it needs that. And I don't know if I have the pressure right or the height right, but I got it to where the front wheels don't really have any camber to them anymore. And I can turn them. Yeah, like they look pretty straight to me. But I just want to take it for a ride because I'm really excited, so.
We're gonna take her out for a smooth, crisp nighttime ride. It's 51 degrees out and clear in St. Louis, Missouri. It's 8:14. It's Friday, the 2nd of October.
Full turning radius right there.
Really?
Yeah, it's not that bad. Look at that. 1-point turn.
Wow.
Suspension seems to be working great.
I feel something clunking and hitting my foot.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, we're discovering things right now.
It's better though, right?
What's clunking into your foot?
I don't know.
Should be nothing bad.
Probably just the transmission. What do you think, Keaton? What's it feel like behind the wheel?
Oh, it feels a lot better now that suspension's going, but that clunking is more prevalent, so we'll have to figure that out. Other than that, much nicer ride.
Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. That's our suspension episode, and hopefully you learned something.
Yeah, just probably one more video fixing that clunking. I'm probably gonna take the brakes apart completely, clean them out, relube them, and then order that new headlight. I think I'm gonna get LED headlight bulbs. Is that it?
I mean, I think that's phase one.
And
for
then,
sure.
yeah, and then that might be 2 videos. But after that begins the process of making this thing look better. So, a lot of interior work, and probably gonna repaint the whole thing. I got a cool idea for the roof. So, comment if you have any suggestions on what I do with this, but otherwise, stay tuned.
Subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks. Bye.